Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are well and learning so many things these days by staying at home. Children, I think you all have completed your notes and worksheets. So from today, again we will start our studies. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting poem, Windy Nights, from your English textbook Raindrops. The poet of this poem is R.L. Stevenson. Children, R.L. Stevenson was from Scotland. He was the Scottish novelist, poet, and travel writer. He was born on 13th November 1850 in Edinburgh. He was the writer of 19th century. I can show you some of his pictures of early childhood and young age. Here you can see him when he was 7 years old. This is his portrait when he was young. Children, he was often abroad, usually for health reasons. At the age of just 28, he published his first volume and became a literary celebrity. See here, we can see him with his family. His famous novels were Treasure Island, Kidnapped, and Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Now let's recite the poem Windy Nights by Robert Louis Stevenson. Then we will understand the poem.
Windy nights. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. Late in the night, when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Whenever the trees are crying aloud, and ships are tossed at sea, by on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again.
Now children, let's understand the poem. Whenever the moon and stars are set, whenever the wind is high, all night long in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. In this poem, the poet associated the wind to the moon and stars. Late at night, the wind is picturized as a man on a horseback. In the stanza, the poet says that man on horse goes riding by whenever the moon and stars are set. Means when it's very cloudy at night, we are unable to see moon stars on the sky. So here poet means to say that whenever moon and stars set, whenever it's dark and wet, a man goes riding by means wind blows very fast like thunderstorm. Late in the night when the fires are out, why does he gallop and gallop about? Whenever the trees are crying aloud and ships are tossed at sea. In this stanza, poet says, why this man on the horse gallop and gallop? Gallop means to go at the fastest speed. When the fires are out means when the street lights are off. Everywhere lights and fire are out. Then why does the wind or the horseman goes at the fastest speed whenever the trees are crying aloud? Means when strong wind moves through the trees, it makes a loud noise and ships are tossed at sea. Ships are tossed at sea means ships moved up and down by the waves. By on the highway, low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again. Here poet says that the galloping horseman comes on and off on the highway, means goes and comes back again, sometimes low and sometimes loud. In this poem, poet has portrayed wind as a mysterious dark force that is inescapable because we can't see wind, we can only feel it. In this way, the wind goes gallop like a horseman and again it comes back at the gallop again. So, children, this was your poem Windy Nights by Robert Louis Stevenson. I hope you all understood the poem